Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, the Nocturnal Foodie. What's up and what's good? So we're back with another unboxing video. So this is another special unboxing video because um, I got this on a discounted price. I've been eyeing to buy this pair since I tried and tested the Nike Vomero 5 during our tour in South Korea. So sobrang solid ng pair na yan guys. Ayun yung naging favorite kong panglakad nasa Korea kami. Grabe, buong araw ko siyang ginamit. It doesn't even need break-in period. The moment I tried it, grabe, sobrang swabe na feel nun. But anyways, hindi natin patatagalin kasi excited na rin ako makita. So, this was bought from Zeus.ph with a 40% discount. Pero meron siyang shipping fee na 150 pesos, which is not bad, I think. Kasi okay naman yung packaging nila. Kasi nag-note din ako na ingatan yung packaging. Ayun, okay naman so far. And their courier was GoGo Express, I think. What's good about this courier is they send you OTP before or the day they will they're about to deliver the item. So siguradong ma-receive mo in person kasi ikaw mismo yung magbibigay ng OTP, which is a good thing, especially with high valued items like this. Anyway, huwag na natin patagalin guys. Ito na, box na natin. So we're going to, I don't think we need a cutter for this anymore because plastic lang naman siya, and then meron lang siyang mga syempre adhesive dito, pero galin na natin siya manually. And there you go. So this is the box that came with it. It's the OG box. Tara, unbox na natin or unwrap na natin kung ano yung loose parang cellophane dito. This siguro kailanganin natin ng cutter kasi medyo, hindi, I don't think so. Alright, lupitin lang natin siya. Grabe. Wow. In fairness okay sila mag-pack ng item. O siguro dahil okay din mag-handle si GoGo Express ng package. So far, ito lang yung mga minor dents ng box. Not that bad. So ito na. Hindi natin patagalin. This is the Nike P6000. Official colorway is black, white. Size 8. Obviously, it's my size. Let's go. Jeez. The white paper. The magical white paper. Alright, sabay-sabay tayong ulitin. First look. OMG. Guys. Can you believe it? This was bought with a 40% discount during their sale. I think that was a 5-day sale na from July 4 to 8. And then 2 days ang delivery. So again, this is the Nike P6000. So this was originally released around 2000. So inspired siya sa Pegasus models. Particularly the Nike Pegasus 2006. So upper niya is multi-layer mesh mesh. So, meron siya ditong leather mesh upper. Vertical and horizontal patterns na makikita nyo this Well, sobrang ano siya, sobrang ganda para sa akin. Napili ko tong colorway na to kasi meron yung Vomero 5 ko is OG siya, yung glow in the dark. Nakalimutan ko yung name ng colorway. So naisip ko I can use this as my daily driver, kaya black siya. Mas madaling iterno sa lahat. Grabe, ang ganda na ito, guys. So ang midsole niya, upper is it's either this one meron siyang leather part, as I mentioned, may mesh. Tapos glossy swoosh right here. Wow, doubles. Both sides may swoosh siya. Ganda. Then we have here the Foreman series, like a strap in between the laces. And then old school Nike branding here. Okay. Bedsole, full length cushion foam, which I think is malambot naman. And then lightweight siya. Outsole niya is made of rubber waffle pattern. So this was designed originally as a running shoes, but nowadays nakikita niyo to most of the time pinanglalakad. Kasi nasa comfy era na tayo, alam niyo yan, di ba? So ayun. Insole niya, removable foam, which is a good thing for people who likes to use insoles na nabibili additionally for more comfort. So you can see, pero yan, hindi natin namin yan kasi may tiwala na ako dito kasi I've watched a lot of videos about this. Sobrang okay siya as a substitute or a budget version ng Vomero 5. Which is the sole reason why I got this pair, or I got this silhouette. So, lacing system, standard. Nike, like round lace with some linings on the edges. So, basically, it's a streetwear na I'm not sure kung pwede rin tong gamitin for running, but I'm not planning to do it, or I'm planning to use it as a runner. But here you guys go. Another look. The Nike P6000 in black white colorway. I'm so excited to use this. Matatry ko to sa aming travel sa Taiwan this coming September, and not sure kung gagamitin ko na siya for another review, but most probably after kong gamitin siguro sa Taiwan trip, I'll give you guys another review. But most definitely makakita naman kayo ng ibang performance review or feedbacks sa YouTube about this pair. Marami na to. Marami nang nag-vlog na ito. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, of course. I just wanted to share that this was really a good buy for me because I bought this for just 3,197, I think, from its original price na 4,995. So 40% off plus the 150 pesos shipping fee. So, di ba? And considering na for this kind of silhouette, especially with the colorways, neutral colorways, medyo bihira siyang magkaroon ng sale na as much as 40%. So, sobrang good deal to para sa akin. Especially that I'm looking for another pair to substitute my Vomero 5 during our travel in Taiwan. So, yun guys, again, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, of course. And please follow na rin yung mga socials ko. This is the Nocturnal Foodie again. Thank you so much, guys, and peace out.